Hey, Bo Shadow, what's up?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
My BB gun.
Where is it?
Right there.
There's your BB gun.
I think it needs some BBs.
Nope, it sure doesn't. It's got lots.
Still got some BBs.
You want me to get some?
Why don't you take a shot at that steel bad guy out there?
Okay.
That was a good try.
Yeah, I did shoot him.
Keep it on safety. Give that a shot.
Okay, I'll shoot right there.
All right.
Wow, Trout, you've shot some guns before, buddy. You can tell.
Nice shot.
Remember what we talked about when we were up to?
Yeah, I shot him off.
Oh.
So you can hear some voices in the background today. It's not just Bo Shadow and I. We've also got
Did I get behind?
Trout and Hawk,
I like it.
accompanied by their daddy Crockett 20. And right over there is SnowLobo95.
Sweet. Just don't get it mixed up and put the gun in your mouth instead of the magazine.
And LadyLobo.
Might lead to a problem.
Yeah.
I shoot the leg.
I think Hawkeye's is in the car somewhere, finishing off a snack. Yeah, let me give you a help. Got that all the way cocked? Yeah.
Did you take the centerpiece off?
Aim down, straight at the bad guy.
There's usually one that slides on the center. And then
Oh yeah, I stripped it down as much. I got rid of these because it blew one of these out.
oh, okay.
At that point, I just that was the piece that slid up and
Oh,
down.
okay.
Safety off.
And I just got rid of all of those.
Well, it saves
Point it
weight.
straight down there.
Saved weight. There was a little
Right at
hook
that
here,
bad
I got
guy.
rid of that. I got
I guess you can actually get a pipe cutter and cut, one of those.
Here it is. Here it is.
I said, mine just
Both hands up. Hold it tight and high.
Shoot behind the people that are
And
shooting.
as soon as you're ready. Don't get your face too close to that, remember?
You hear what's telling him?
Having a hard time hitting anything, bud. Hey, you got it.
Oh, nice
Try
shot.
again. Oh, all gone.
I hope Hawkeye's gun.
Okay, bud. This is ready for you.
Okay.
Be careful with those hands until you are definitely got it on target. Put your face back a little bit.
Right in here, and that's.
Whoa, 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 you're tipping it way too high. Yeah. Try again. Look at it.
You shot it, bud.
What is it? I
Oh, you got it. Try again.
You
Try
hit
again.
it.
Get your face too close, bud. And we're empty. How this works. You gotta get down pretty low.
We also have the late
Kind of sit down on the ground. Kneel down on the ground.
Bow Shadow.
And now, do you see
Hawkeyes.
where? Put your arm up there. Now don't hold on to that trigger yet.
Shooting the 1022.
Don't pull that trigger yet. You gotta look straight down the gun. Straight at that bad guy. Do you see a red dot inside of it?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, if the red dot is on the bad guy, then you're ready to shoot.
But that's not the bad guy's mom.
If it's not,
No.
you gotta tilt the gun till it's on the bad guy.
Just broken in or something, or maybe we just had a good round.
Yeah!
No, that wasn't
Do it again. Do another one.
the
Yeah! Uh-oh, another jam?
outside primer.
I can't believe that. Okay, go ahead.
Dad, can you set it up? Dad, can you set the movie up?
That might be the last one. Go ahead and pull that. Pull it back.
And we have
That was the last one. That's the last one, dude. Is it empty? Is it empty of bullets? Pull hard.
careful. Nope.
Empty of bullets?
Yep.
Okay. Was that cool?
I'm done.
What'd you think?
Cool.
You like shooting that metal bad guy?
Yeah.
Look.
Cheaper Winchester
We got 2 bullets that came out of there from jams that we could probably put in and shoot. Yeah, we got 3.
Some money if it's
Hey, gotta get that safety up. Okay. Got the red on the bad guy? Nice.
needed a little break in.
You did it, man.
Like,
That was pretty cool.
wait a minute, let me get in on this.
And then like 2 steps and shoot, something like that. Okay. Did you hear that? We're gonna like advance and then shoot, and then advance and then shoot.
Shoot first and then advance?
Yeah, let's shoot first, then advance, and then shoot, stop, stop, shoot, kind of thing.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
You put guns in our hands, and what do we turn into? Kids.
Advance, advance! Shoot.
I'm out.
I know, I went real.
Are you out? Okay.
Go, go.
Alright, that's all I was able to load in that amount of time.